'03 Ford Ranger 4x4. It's having flasher issue. The signals don't work. The hazards don't work. I've checked the fuses. And what I wanted to show you is how to get to this, because every video I looked at didn't show it. So you take off the plastic, then you take off the metal cover, okay? And then you're like, well, don't it usually sit right here? Yeah, in older ones. Well, where is it? Well, it's up here under, there's a black box up here. You see the black box? I have moved it, and right up there is a blue relay. And that's where it goes this whole time. Now, I don't know if it's gonna be the relay or the turn signal itself, because it has a little crunching on the bottom, but no crunching up top. So we'll see. This is pretty easy to get to. This is all gonna be a 1015. So if you have a 1015, that's a 1020, sorry. Or maybe it is a 1020, sorry, yeah, maybe it's a 1020. I do apologize. 1020 to get these bolts off, and you reach up there in that black box, there's tape on it. You push the bottom and the top, kind of peel it back, and that's how you get to the blue. And now we're going to replace it. Now, I know you guys are going to be freaking out going, it's black. Why is it black? Well, I don't know. That's what they gave me. So let's put it in and try it and see what happens. And if that's not it, then we're going to have to replace this whole thing. And all right, here we go. Okay, let's put the key in here. I just put it in. Nothing. So still nothing. So my guess is it's gonna be that. And if it ain't that, fuck. All right, don't be like me. So I checked 21. Guess what? There wasn't even a fuse in there. I put it in and wasn't even a fuse in it. But there was earlier. I did take it out, but I don't know. At this point, I spent an hour trying to figure it out. We gotta start it again. Lights are coming on. High beams are coming on. I mean, I can see it. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Hazards. All righty. Now, if it could be something electrical, been sitting out in the rain for a while in this car lot here. I'm just gonna move it and then test it again, because again, hitting the brakes. I did not check the trailer wires. I don't even know if there's a trailer on it. Didn't even look. Probably should have. On my truck right there's a wiring plug in. Well, they can go corroded. I had one do that on a vehicle before. They're not flashing fast or anything. All right, that concludes fuse and relay. So there it is, people. Now you can sell the car. All right, well, the boss man, he said, hey, these marker lights ain't working. Came out here and inspected it. Like, that's fine. I already replaced this one. We're gonna replace this one. If you don't know, basically pull this up. You gotta give it a good tug on this one. Take this rubber piece off. Take that off. This slides right out, just like a Tahoe. There's two bolts right here. They're all the same, very small. Sorry, I don't remember what it was. It's like a 732. Yeah, 732. Take these off, and that's it, man. Really easy to do. Just in case. After I fixed it, he's like, we talked for a while. Hey, man, you want to come out here and do an inspection with me? He's like, yeah. But I just got an inspection on it. Well, the signals wasn't working, so what the hell? He goes, yeah. So he's about to sell this car. Go out here, and he's like, hey, man, the marker lights ain't working. I'm like, really? I'm flipping everything. I'm like, not working? He's like, no. So I went ahead and fixed that as too. Real cool how those lights come out. Didn't know that. I mean, I looked dead at him like, really? Just like the Tahoe? Bleep. I was like, okay. So that's that. Made a couple bucks. Spent a few hours here going to go get parts and all that, but that's okay. I had nothing else better to do today. Laid off for the winter, and here we are. It's into February, so work is about to start back up soon. And that's it for me today. that was fun. Hope that helped somebody.
Hey, did you like that video? Well, try these videos out. Have you seen this video yet? You have? Try that video. Oh, you've already seen that video? I don't know, replay this video. It's awesome. No, for real, watch one of these other videos. Seriously. The videos.